Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we are working with VANLOVHAIR. This is everything that they sent me in my package. Here is the wig. They were so nice enough to send me out a 26-inch 4x6 lace closure wig. This is their pre-cut glueless wig. So it comes with an elastic band, and this is their breathable cap. And I think I did say it was pre-cut just now. But yeah, so this is the inside of the wig. To define my curls, all I used, like I always use, was my water and a lot of body mousse. When I got this wig did not come with the knots bleached or the hairline customized. So I went ahead and I customized the hairline and I bleached the knots. The knots for me honestly did not change all that great. I got a few of them to change, but a lot of them didn't. I'm not sure though if it's because of the how dense the closure is. It's one of those like thick ones, like they use the thick knots. It's not your typical like seamless knot. So like your single knotted wigs, in the front it's kind of single knotted, but in the back, or you know, y'all know what I'm saying, from the hairline back, it's like I don't even think I described that right, but it's thicker in the middle of the closure. So the knots did not change all that great, but I still was able to finesse it and make it work. I will say I did have to go in and flatten out the closure part of the wig as well. Really good, because the closure it's a thicker closure. It's like one of those, it's thicker, y'all. It's thicker, so you kind of got to work with it, but it's still beautiful after you get it together. It's beautiful. The waves and the curls on the wig was really nice, and the wig turned out really pretty. I actually enjoyed the install, or I enjoyed the finished look of this wig. So I applied this wig glueless as it was intended, and as you can see, it's giving. I put some makeup on the bottom of the lace, and then I used my brush that I just used the brush that I used to put the makeup underneath. I used that on top as well, but I didn't add any extra product on it. And yeah, y'all, like as you can see, the wig is on. I fluffed out the curls, so yeah, no complaints. Again, well, I do have some complaints. Again, the closure part is thick, so you have to flatten it out really good. The knots, a lot of the knots on the wig again was triple knotted. I prefer single knots, or if you're gonna get to the back of the closure, you know, they can be double knotted, but just not too thick. And then the knots, I would prefer them to bleach more than they did the first go round. I didn't do a second or third go round, but I only did one time. But yeah, I would prefer them to bleach the first go round. But I will say, for the price is really affordable. So if you're looking for something on the cheaper side, but something that'll give you a nice look, I would definitely say check out VANLOVHAIR. This is a 26-inch, so it was really, really affordable. And yeah, I know it doesn't look like a 26-inch, but the closure, it's giving like layered. But when I stretched the hair out in the back, it definitely hit the top of my booty. So it's giving 26 inches. They're not lying there. So but yeah, y'all, I'm gonna stop rambling. The hair is nice and soft. I didn't have any issues with a lot of shedding or tangling. And again, I love the waves on the hair, very pretty. So yeah, y'all, big shout out to VANLOVHAIR for allowing me to try out this wig. And thank y'all so much for watching. And I'm going to talk to you guys in my next one.